Hey, it's Jason. Want to give you a sneak peek behind the curtains with what we've been working on for the past couple of months. I'm really excited to bring our voice cloning bots and agents to market for general release. This is basically a self-guided recording and a bot that will record your voice and then automatically turn into an agent that will attempt to social engineer you in a Microsoft Teams environment. So I'll give you a quick kind of demo. Um, Here, self-guided tutorial. Once you do that, you just type your name, select your language, and then create the agent. And it will automatically generate a Microsoft Teams link and then have the bot join it in an attempt to social engineer you. It's really cool. Here you go. Type in my name.
Hey, it's Jason. Can you help me real quick?
What do you need, Jason? You don't sound like Jason.
I need you to start a wire transfer to the Philippines for $10,000 when you get time.
No.
Oh, come on, please. It's really urgent.
So there you go. Book a demo. We'll be happy to give you one of these links and you can play around it for yourself. Have a great day. See ya.